there! I hope you all doing really good because I'm feeling good today. Baking my baby's brownies. I call this baby's brownies because I've been baking this since Jessica was like 2 years old and till today. I baked this one and then, yep, the only brownie that Natasha's will eat. I love this recipe. It's light, not that fudgy, and it's also not that cakey. So it's somewhere in between. And I myself prefer to eat it the next day after I bake. Again, few ingredients only: flour, butter, egg, sugar, and chocolate powder. That's it. Easy to bake, easy to make, and they will love the taste of it. Not too sweet. You can just eat it like that, or top it with ice cream or drizzle with Baileys. That will be great. When the kids are big, when their friends came over, I served that for dessert and then they were, "Oh, auntie, I love you so much," because they can just taste the alcohol here. Well, it's a little bit on the take. It's okay. I'm sure their parents will approve it because I told them afterwards, check it out how to make. It's basic recipe. You can freeze it, then heat it up if you want to, if you want to bake a big batch. Let's do this together. I'm sure you will like it. And don't forget, watch till the end and see how I'm putting it into a very nice presentation. It's gonna be good if you put it on the party table. Let's do this!